Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, it will be a vlog. I am currently on my way to the chiropractor. My back has been killing me. I do plan to go to the masseuse, but my classmate, my old roommate at Spelman, advised me to come to her, what is it, studio? I don't know. Come to her spot. I'll ask her for the better terms when I get there to get my back cracked. No, I'm just kidding. So yeah, I'm going to be taking you guys with me, so see you in a minute. Y'all, this is my college roommate, my first college Spelman roommate. Because it's not, your face is not recognizable on the camera. Oh, there it is. Yes, we're in the X-ray room. Okay, y'all.
Those holes are nice and big. That means that the nerves are not pinched, they're flowing freely. So you have a nice curve, a nice little curve back there. You know what I'm saying? Discs are healthy, no arthritis. This is good. We started from
and what was the dark spots?
This is gas.
Oh,
so this is gas in your colon. So this is a fart to be.
Oh.
Once it comes all the way down and out, you'll hear it.
Wow. Look at my x-rays. So are they good?
Yes. It looks really good actually. Your spine is nice and healthy. We got a little bit of tilting down here and just some rotation, but that's nothing that we can't adjust with your first adjustment. Looks good.
Thank you. Okay y'all, so I just had my x-rays. Right now she has me on the massage table. She said that she wanted to get me nice and warm. I don't know, but it feels so good. It's like rolling down my back. And I'm also laying on a heating pad, so I wish y'all could see it. So yeah, it's so relaxing. I have to do this often.
Stretch those muscles that support the different curves in your spine. So it's called intersegmental traction. So each of the little joints is getting healthy movement and stretching. It's pulling off swelling off of the spine. It's stretching the muscles, getting the joints warmed up for your adjustment, and like just relaxing you.
I like that. It feels so good. Intersegmental traction.
Yes.
So it's warming up my spine for my adjustment.
Yes.
Yes.
Get that body ready.
You should have heard what I said before. She's giving me a massage. So I don't know what this for.
It's to get you in this woozy space right here so you can relax.
Okay. That's it.
Okay, so we're gonna bring your shoulder down and around.
Okay.
Scoot towards me a little bit. Okay. Shoulder's good. Bend this leg. And then straighten this one. Okay. Ready?
Oh. Oh my goodness.
And then on your back.
That feels so good.
Yes.
I don't even want to get a massage. I just want to get my back cracked.
Period. That's the commercial. Just relax. I'm gonna come in with some oil. Can you smell this through your mask?
A little bit. Oh yeah, that smells good.
Yeah. Relax your jaw. Just let yourself be heavy. Wiggle your toes just a little bit. Ooh. Nice. Now I'm gonna massage your hands.
Okay, we'll be back, y'all. Girl, I feel like a whole pretzel right now. Y'all, she cracks everything. She cracks my ears, my neck, my fingernails,
elbows.
I feel so good. If you have never been to the chiropractor, you need to go to her. Dr. Winfrey is the best. Listen. Amazing.
Thank you.
I feel so good.
Come on, get
my
on the
back
table.
all tip. I'm still not done.
No, you're not.
I'm done. See,
I'm talking to your subscribers.
Yeah. What's the name?
This is what's on her back. This is why she's tingling.
I'm tingling. She put this on my back, gave me my adjustment, massage, all that crick crack crack.
This is Atlas Total Health in Atlanta. You can find us on Atlas, ATLAS Total Health on Instagram.
And I'll include it right there.
Yeah, can't wait to see you.
Can't wait to see you. All of her information will be linked in the description box. Thank you.
We gotta do this. Tell me.
Okay, spell it. It's the doctor for me. I'm ready.
All right, Miss Sequoia, and this is from Dr. Winfrey. So
Let me
congratulations
see.
on your first adjustment.
Thank you.
You're officially in Club Chiro.
Yes, thank you. It was amazing.
Welcome, Dr. Winfrey.
Dr. Winfrey, I'm so happy. This was so good.
You did so good.
Y'all, I got a certificate.
Yes, you gotta
I'm
frame it and
official.
put up the picture.
I am.
Yeah.
I'm gonna tag you too.
Okay.